Let's make frozen pineapple drinks, guys. So I know it's been a while since I've been on YouTube, but I'm back. I know you missed me. So first things first, sorry about the camera quality. This supposed to be a TikTok, and I had to, do some black people stuff and, rotate around. So what you see me doing now is I'm using my handy dandy corkscrew that I got from Walmart years ago. It's $8.99. Has not failed me yet. And I'm just going to turn until I get these beautiful pineapple chunks out. You do need a little strength. If you have a man, tell your man to do this for you because my hands was hurting. Next, you're going to see me mess around with blenders that I didn't even need. But, it's never, not a good thing I have on the blenders because my blenders always die on me. So now we're going to pour a shot of Bacardi Coconut rum. We're going to chase that with some Malibu Pineapple rum. And I have some pineapple juice from the pineapples in my blender. And then after that, we're going to come behind it with the Bacardi Tropical rum. I feel like this is new, but not new. Probably like 2 years new. But anyway, we're going to pour that into the blender. And then we're going to follow that with some regular Bacardi. I'm going to pour a shot into the blender as well. And I know you guys like, wow, she's tripping. But we're trying to get drunk. It's Memorial Day weekend. And we're trying to get lit. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to top it off with some tequila. Rum and tequila. I know you're like, she wilding, but I don't care. I was trying to get drunk at this freaking pool party. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to top it off with some Blue Jolly Rancher mix. Now, in the video, I only added a scoop, but I end up going back and adding 2 scoops, and that's why it's going to be like a real blue color like my nails because it just wasn't as sweet to me. And then I ended up adding an extra scoop of ice because it was very runny. So if we're making these drinks, I always tell people add at least 4 cups of ice if you're using a lot of liquor or your drink's going to be runny and really icy. And that's where, my dilemma was. It was really runny and really icy. It wasn't like smooth and thick like how I like my drinks to be. So I'm just doing a little dance. Y'all, it was so hot at this pool party. That's why I was like dancing, trying to keep my mind off the heat or whatever. So now we're going to zoom in on the drink. It wasn't the best. And that's why I kind of went back in and made it over again. So you're going to see it now. It's going to be like a blue color like my nails. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take the blender and take the pineapple cup that you made. Y'all, these cups were like $35. I don't see why, but whatever. So you're going to take your cup and pour your daiquiri mix inside of there. And you could top it off with the actual pineapple head. But I honestly did not feel like doing all of that. I just wanted my pineapple cup. And I just wanted to top it off with chunks. So that's what you see me doing now, topping off with some pineapple chunks. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to Drinks with Goody. Make sure you follow me on TikTok at GoodyBags.Lee. I also have a personal TikTok called I Am Lily, and it's 2 underscores. By I Am Lily. I will be posting more on my YouTube because TikTok has a hold on me now. I be on TikTok with the TikTokers, do my little TikTok dance. I said TikTok a lot. But yeah, make sure you guys follow me and thank you guys for watching Drinks with Goody.